Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to connect your iPhone or Moblin to your OBS, either on the same Wi-Fi network, or even if you want to go outside with this phone onto data or a different network. First, we're gonna be going over how to connect your iPhone to OBS on the same Wi-Fi network. What you want to do first is go to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings in OBS, and it'll open up this panel. Next, go to Show Connect Info, and here we have Server IP. Then in Moblin, what you want to do is go to Settings, Streams, Create, OBS, and here you want to type in the server IP on your computer. Mine is 10.0.0.68, and the port you want to put 7654. Hit next, and create. Then in your OBS, what you want to do is create a new media source. So go to New and Media Source, Create, and input this link. I'll put it in the description, but it's SRT 0.0.07654 mode listener. And the input format should be MPEG TS. And again, I'll put this in the description so you can just copy paste it. Hit OK. Now in your Moblin, all you need to do is hit Go Live, and it will connect to your OBS. Awesome, so this will work as long as both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. And if that's all you need, then you're good to go. If you did, however, need to go outside, as in go IRL streaming with your phone so that it goes on a different network, then what you would need are cloud-hosted streaming servers. And what I would recommend is Streamable, and I'll show you how it works in under a minute. All you need to do is hit quick launch on the server. And when the server started, all we need to do is scroll down to any of these ingests and scan this on our phone. Then we just click Go Live. And now we can switch to this input on the cloud-hosted streaming server, and we can leave the house, go on a different connection, go on data, anything. And if we're outside and we lose connection, for example, we go into a place with not that great service, what it'll do is automatically switch your scene to your ingest offline, which is offline clips, and your viewers won't get kicked from the stream. Then when you go back online, what Streamable will do is automatically reconnect to your ingest when you go online. Again, this is only if you need to go on a different network, like outside with your phone or any other input. If you don't need to do that, then you can just do the first step in this video. Hopefully that was helpful, and thank you for watching. Bye.